quality matches and close matches. So he's got the control, even though maybe for us it doesn't look like it, he is still the man in charge.
Akgül Makhmudov in the red, and Ali Abdi of the Islamic Republic of Iran in the blue and grey.
Ali Abdi not having the best start to 2024. Placed 32nd in the Zagreb Open. But is a two-time world bronze medalist, under 20, under 23, so.
You can see the picture of the open-mouthed shark jaws on Makhmudov's singlet when you catch him from front on. Ali Abdi desperately trying to avoid those jaws and those arms and hands.
Сюрприз! Экесе көп интернет. Переходи на О тарифтеринде. Сенде дагы көбүрөөк мүмкүнчүлүктөр бар. Көбүрөөк баарлашуу. Көбүрөөк көрүү. Көбүрөөк ырахаттануу. Жазды О мобилдик оператор менен тосуп ал.
And Makhmudov just taking his time in this position, not rushing too much. Needs to try and demand the centre though, because he will get called for passivity if he isn't careful.
Ali Abdi with two. Now, and Makhmudov the first to go down to parterre. Hard man to turn, though. And the counter is excellent and slips around the back again.
Yeah, great reversal there from Makhmudov. Needs to be careful he doesn't get taken over the front. Now he's got a little bit of time to work here. He's looking for that reverse lift. And he will get it. Huge 4 points. Looking forward again. He is going to try and go for another high amplitude.
Ground amplitude throw to seal it. 5 points held up in the air for that second throw. And that is why they come out for this man. That is why this stadium is full and has been since this morning. What, from your assessment, would be the discussion here? Here come the points for Makhmudov.
Yeah, they were discussing whether they were 4-point throws or 5-point throws. The referee has given 2 5 points, so...
So that first one upgraded.
Yeah.
As we see the replay here, George, what makes this a 5 point over a 4-point throw?
Well, when the legs go above the head like that and you land straight into a dangerous position, then it is 5 points. As you can see, the opponent completely turned, head down, feet in the air, above his own head. It's 5 points.
I mean, it's fantasy wrestling, isn't it? It's the type you might practice on at home.
It really is.
On your teddy bear.
There's not many wrestlers who can make it look so easy to lift a human body throughout the air like he does.
First action, 2-point counter-attack. And then red. left. Grand amplitude, 5 point for red. And then left one more time, 5 point for second action, challenge lost. Challenge won.
So the points gap is enough, 9 points between these two, so the match can end there, although Makhmudov gets another 12